Today we're diving into the features of the AKASO Brave 7 action camera, a powerhouse device that captures stunning 4K 30fps videos and 20 megapixels photos, perfect for documenting life's adventures in Ultra HD. This camera is designed for thrill seekers, boasting a waterproof capability of up to 33 feet without a case, making it ideal for extreme sports like surfing and diving, thanks to its IPX8 water-resistant design. The Brave 7 comes with a visual remote control featuring a built-in LCD screen, allowing you to easily check your camera's status and ensure you're capturing every moment. With its innovative dual display, you can effortlessly switch between the back and front screens, with the vivid front screen perfect for selfies and the 2-inch back touchscreen making navigation a breeze. Customize your shots with adjustable view angles ranging from 170 degrees to 70 degrees, and utilize the distortion calibration feature to correct image distortion for picture-perfect results. Plus, with support for an external mic and voice control, capturing high-quality audio has never been easier, and the inclusion of two 1,350 mAh batteries ensures you're always ready to go. So, whether you're vlogging or capturing extreme sports, the AKASO Brave 7 action camera is your ultimate companion for all your filming needs.